We are downloading Poop Killer, a game that's going to make us shit ourselves. Ah! Okay. Poop Killer. Let's go. Okay. Brilliant. The credits at the start of the game. That's something. Okay, here we go. What's this? Horror movies. The Clown's Fun. How do I put it down? Hang on, maybe if I pick this up. Jahan here. Jahan, here are your tasks. Do it in the order I put and only when you don't have any customers. Put the horror movies on the shelf. Sweep stains from the floor. Throw the trash from downstairs. Clean the graffiti on the outside walls. Okay. So I just need to like... Okay. Horror. Adventure movies. Adult movies. Oh, good lord. Oh my god. They got like a full section dedicated to this. There we go. Why are there... These fish are not real. These fish need looking at. And what's down in the basement? Frickin' hell, you got a whole like Heisenberg thing going on here. Can I use the toilet? No? No customers just yet. Alright. Horror movies. Power Drill Massacre. Go. Okay, so they're just horror movies. They're all horror movies. Truth Loop. I kind of wanted to see some adult movies. Sweep stains from the floor. Okay. Right, where's the... What was that? Do I need to do this with the mop and bucket? Oh my god. What are you looking at? What? Comedy movies. Okay. How can I help you, sir? Oh, fine, adult movies. May I suggest Call of Duty Modern Warfare? Fantastic one. Or there's my favorite, Biocock. Biocock. And what else we got? What's up, man? Take your time. How can I help, man? Good night, boy. I want to rent this tape. What is it? Good evening, sir. It's $3, please. All right, keep the change. See you later. What is this? The elevator. All right, good luck with that, sir. All right, where's this brush? Or maybe I can use the mop now because maybe it's like a task equals... Yeah, thought so. Okay. Got to do a task and you got to... Yeah. Did I just say swarp? Swarp? You know, it's fun little interesting games like this that are genuinely, like, fun to play. What is going on in this store? Why is there so much, like... Rat, chat, and wank? Okay. Let me think of one. James Bondage. Bondy in the Gimp Machine. That's funny. Smash Bandicoot. That's another good one. Coom Eternal. I like that one. Okay, we're all done. Nice. Can we close this door? I'm a little bit nervous. Why? Who comes to rent a freaking film at this time? Excuse me, sir. How are you doing? What the fuck? I see you're looking at the... Oh, he's police. Never mind. We don't have any bootleg pornos. All right, just what? I didn't say anything. Did you say something? I didn't say anything. Listen, if you need me, I'll be back here doing my emails. Endless Days. Ah, good choice. I would like to rent this tape. How much does it cost? It costs $5, sir. Here's the money, thanks. Yeah, I hear there's a good bondage scene in that. See you later, guy. See you later. Goodbye. Okay, I guess it's time to take the trash out now. Damn man, I'm fully working a job here. I mean, the thing is, doing this job as a man would be relaxing, but doing this job on your own as a woman, I can't imagine it's fun. Because, like, as a guy, you can just sit back, relax. I don't know, and you wouldn't feel as threatened, I guess. You finna play the origins of the poop killer. What? Is that a real thing? Why are there so many trash bags? They should be throwing these out as soon as it, like, builds up. Okay, there we go. That's all that done. So, who's next, then? Oh, here we go. New customer. Oh my god, it's Gru. Hey. Please, I need to use the bathroom urgently. Alright, sir. Feel free. Thank you. What, this? Come on in. Oh! That was in my mouth. You just fired in my mouth. Are you okay in there, sir? Jesus, what did you eat? Oh, that... Fuck, this fat guy's going to ruin the bathroom. Excuse me, sir. Time's up now. Hello? Fucking hell, mate. Did you have a Taco Bell? Right, get out now. Get out. Fucking get out. You're stinking up the place. Get the fuck out. Oh my god, I need some fresh air. Jesus. Oh my god. That's nice. Right. Are you fucking done decimating my toilet? Thank you, friend. You saved my life. Fucking hell! You disgusting pig. Yeah, drive off, mate. Did you even wipe? I hope you freaking did. Yeah, get out of here, you stinky bastard. Take that smelly ass with you. Oh, it stinks of eggs in here now, man. It stinks of freaking vegetables. Is that pizza? A vending machine pizza. Corpse Bomb Keef. There we go. We did it. Oh, here we go. New customer. Come on in, please, sir. Never mind the smell or the flies that are surrounding the smell. How's it going? What's this? The clown's fun. Ah, yes. Please, I want to rent this tape. What a bad smell is here. It's $5, sir. I'm sorry, a customer used the bathroom and clogged the toilet. A customer, right? Here's the money. Good night. A customer, right? Okay. What? Don't blame it on me, man. Oh my... Ugh. I can see the onions. Mate, you just gotta, like, use water. And you gotta, like, keep dunking water in there. And it will kind of flush it down. Who's this, then? We don't have any more tasks to do. So... Can we watch a video? My god, what is this stench? I'm sorry, sir. A customer used the bathroom and clogged the toilet. Be careful. The smell might attract the poop killer. Poop killer? Never heard of him. I saw it in the paper last night. He looks for people who don't flush. He's a nut with serious mental problems. This is bizarre. Tomorrow I'll ask someone to unclog the toilet. Take care, my friend. Here's the money. Keep the change. Thank you, sir. Good night. What did you buy? Truth Loop. Appreciate that, man. The poop killer. He kills people who doesn't flush their toilets. God damn, that guy's... Maybe he's the poop killer. Blocks people's toilets and then freaking kills them for it. To be fair, this is on me right now. It's easy to unclog a toilet. You didn't flush, John. I brought you a gift. It was not me. It was a customer. Why is this guy, like, balding? Oh, shit. No! Ah, he's just screaming. No! Oh, God. Oh! What the fuck is this? Oh, there's nuts in this. Oh, it's green. Motherfucker threw shit in my face. I'm gonna fucking throw shit back at you. Get back here now. Think you're a tough man? Am I not gonna wipe this shit off my face? Oh, great. Now someone's going to come in and be like, you've got shit on your face. I need to go downstairs and wash my face in a sink. Oh, come on, bruh. This is your problem right now. Oh, I can explain. I can, actually. I don't know why I haven't wiped this shit off my face, to be fair. Oh, my God. I'm shit-faced. I'm actually shit-faced. Look below the counter. Oh, no! There's an actual turd here. This is my fault at this point. This guy is unhygienic. He's a disgusting, filthy animal. He just had shit thrown at his face, and he's just stood here with the shit on the floor. Hey, man, how's it going? Yeah, something smells, doesn't it? Is that shit on your face? It's $5, please, ma'am. Oh, all right, here it is. Yeah, to be fair, I'd be laughing. Like, what kind of, like, does this person work at CEX? Why would they keep shit on their face? Sounds like that noise came from below. What noise? Oh, God, you... What? Ah! Is the poop man here? Hello? God. He's come for me. What the fuck? What have you done? My God, there's shit everywhere. Oh, good Lord. Oh, my God. Ugh. Oh. Oh, God, what am I going to do? Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, we're not in Dubai right now. Ah. Stop. Oh! I just got jump scared by the poop killer. I think I really need to rethink my life decisions right now. You know what, guys? I actually enjoyed that game. That was worth the money that I paid. Okay. Brilliant. Okay, stop it now. That's enough. That was a game called Poop Killer by 616 Games. I like the synthwave as well. It's really good. Fantastic stuff.